Now, many of you may have a vanity like this bathroom does, and it does hold a lot of stuff, but if you use it for towel storage, it'll fill up really quick. So our number 7 storage solution is a toilet topper cabinet, readily available at home centers, or you can have Joe build you a custom one.
Thanks, Dave. This 2-shelf toilet topper I built out of 3/4-inch MDF, and then I added a simple pine face frame. Now the nice thing about building it yourself as opposed to buying one is the store-bought ones are typically only about 8 or 9 inches deep. This one's 12 inches deep, so you see there's plenty of room for full-size bath towels. Now in the construction, I added 2 cleats to the back, and then that allows me to drive screws through the cleats and into the wall studs. And that's really important that you drive screws into the studs so it's really secure and it won't come off the wall. Now the other thing that's important to remember is when you're building with MDF in a bathroom, you have to paint all surfaces and all edges to seal out the moisture.
And the thing about this type of project too is that you can take your measurements, you can do all the work outside, prime and paint it, come right in, install it on the wall, and you've gotten that towel storage problem taken care of.